I will start the session by saying that today's session is about supporting children at home for remote learning. This is a webinar on effective strategies for parents, and I am Syed Murtuza Hussaini Zaidi, and I am HOD of Senate Counseling Department at Focus High School. A question might come to us, come to our mind, that why remote learning is necessary. What is the need? Why we can, why can't we make it a 0 year and we will learn? We'll continue with the session with the schooling next year. So remote learning is very important, and it has become the new normal. Okay, so remote learning is our new normal for today's needs. We don't know when this pandemic is going to end, and as long as this pandemic continues, the remote learning will also continue. And from now onwards, this remote learning will be a part of the curriculum. So most of the schools have adopted this methodology, and this will continue for a long time. I'm not sure, but so remote learning is not for only 1 year. It is going to continue. And thankfully, Focus High School, we have this remote learning. We had the tools right from 2014 itself. We had this Google Classroom that it has been already implemented, and high school children were aware of tools like Google Classroom, Google Drive, and Gmails and everything. So thankfully that helped us a lot. So why remote learning? So as I said, online learning is the new normal. This is the reality now. This is the reality of today's time. Remote learning is going to be there. Remote learning is not, as long as this pandemic is not going to end, remote learning will be there. And even after pandemic, some type of remote learning will be there. So if I don't opt for remote learning as a parent, if I don't opt for remote learning, what will be the side effect? Learning is a process which needs to be continued. Learning is a process which needs to be continued. As an example, you can see that after summer vacation or the Dasera or Sankranti vacation, the children are reluctant to go to school, or you will feel that they'll be lagging in the education, they'll be lagging in the learning and everything. So without remote learning, if children are just sitting at home, they will not learn anything. Plus, they will they will first of all, they will not learn anything for sure if they are not doing remote learning. On top of that, they will forget everything that they have learned till now, because in school, when the child comes daily, he learns and he revises his previous knowledge. So without remote learning, a child may lose his learning skills. So that is one of the major setbacks for not opting for remote learning. If the child joins remote learning, he will have a purpose in life. For a child, he's not going for a job. He's not concerned with the adult jobs, right? He's not going to take care of the home. He's not going to the job. So he's a child. So he should have a purpose in life. So for a child, the purpose in life is education, right? So without remote learning, the child will not have that purpose, that motivation, daily motivation, right? So remote learning is very important for in that aspect also. In this time of pandemic, the benefit of remote learning is that child will be in front of you, plus he will be learning. So children will learn from the safety of their homes. That is one of the major benefits. You will not be worried. You will not panic about your child going to school and getting caught with the COVID-19 or any other infectious disease, God forbid. So as long as the child is in home and he's learning from home, you will not be worried. So that is one of the perks and benefits of remote learning. Also, children will have the flexibility at home. With remote learning, they will have the flexibility and comfort of the home. as well as the flexibility. So these are some of the benefits, and these are the reasons why remote learning is important. So we'll continue with some tips and strategies for parents. So this is not going to be one size fits all formula, but these are some suggestions that we can provide. So you have to remember that it's not a magic pill or a magical formula that will change and entirely the learning and everything, but these are some suggestions and tips that you might already have been doing at home. If you are doing, that's very good and great. So tips and strategies for parents to help children with remote learning. The first tip that we want to discuss, or I want to discuss today, is that you have to maintain the child has to maintain a schedule, and you have to help him with the schedule, in maintaining a schedule. And the schedule needs to match closely to the school timetable or school schedule. Nowadays, the school is physically closed, but it's open online. So all the rules that a child follows in a physical classroom or a physical school, he should also follow at home also. That will greatly help him, achieve all the tasks and gain more knowledge at home through remote learning. This is the most important as well as the basic strategy that you can do to improve or help your child in remote learning. Make sure that he gets up daily on the same time, like school. When the schools are open, children get up on the same time, and they have their chores. They brush, they wash, they take bath, they do breakfast. Then they come to school, right? So this grooming part has to be done at the home, and you have to fix a time for that. I know it is not possible in one day, but if you persist, if you keep on persisting, the child will develop the same schedule at home also. So getting up daily on the same time, and make sure that he's attending all the classes. They are attending all the classes. Because in a physical class or a physical school, they don't have the option not to attend the class, right? So in home also, they should not have that option of not attending a class. So make sure that they are attending all the classes, and help them take breaks like school. So fix a lunch time. So your responsibility is to get them a short break lunch and the lunch at 1 o'clock, because in the timetable they have this lunch break from 1 to 2 o'clock, right? So it's your responsibility that you provide meal at the same time daily, so they develop the habit, and make sure they take breaks and actually eat lunch and actually eat their short break snacks. That is very important. And after the school hours, after the last class, they should take rest, and after taking rest they should do homework. And see, I'm not talking about a particular day. For example, one particular day they may have some occasion, they may have a function, so they will sleep at maybe 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, or 12 o'clock in the night, am 12 am in the night. But this should not happen daily. This is a bad habit. Fix a time for them to sleep. We receive so many complaints from parents saying that their children don't sleep on time. So I'm not sure how that's possible. When we were kids, our parents, fixed a time and we used to sleep on time.
Sorry, your voice is low.
Okay, my voice is low. Now is it audible? So I'll try to keep the mic
bit better.
Yeah, thank you. So you need to fix their, sleeping time also. That is very, very important. If the child does not sleep on time, he will not have, they require at least 6 to 8 hours of sleep to develop their memory, to develop their brain, because children still develop their brain, into the late teens and into the early adulthood also, children will develop their brains. So it is, and one of the factors that affect brain development is proper sleep. If they don't get proper sleep, so their brains will not be properly developed. and as a result of that, they will that will be shown into their learning ability. So maintain a schedule. This is a very important thing. It is a very simple thing to sound, to listen, to hear, but this is very 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 important. Maintain a schedule um, on the same level as the school level. When the school used to be open and the children used to come, that schedule you have to maintain at home. This is harder, that's easier said than done. But again, you can, with persistence with the children, you persist with them, and they will achieve that. Thank you. So now you have to stick to a daily timetable also. Scheduling and timetable is a bit different. Both sound same, but it is a bit different. Sticking to a daily timetable, for that, a day before, a day before the next day, you have to ask your child to, take out the books necessary for the next day, because they have the timetable. When the class starts, they will search for the books, they will search their bags. So it is very, important for them to realize and stick to a timetable, that tomorrow I have these many periods, and for tomorrow's tasks I need this stationery and these books. So help maintain subject specific books as per school timetable for that particular day. Also, according to the timetable, whatever homework or assignment they're getting, you put a deadline on that you have to complete this homework, or you have to complete the assignments by the end of the day, or by the end of the whatever. You make a timetable, then you have to follow up on that task. You have to ask them, did you complete that? What about that task? What about that assignment? कुछ जवाबदारी रहना चाहिए बच्चों की तरफ से भी, और इनकलकेट अकाउंटेबिलिटी, वही जवाबदारी रहना बच्चों में कि वो होमवर्क हुआ क्या, नहीं हुआ तो क्यों नहीं हुआ, और फिर कब करेंगे, व्हेन यू विल कंप्लीट दैट वर्क. सेम विद असाइनमेंट्स वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. असाइनमेंट, बच्चों का पोर्टफोलियो डेवलप होता है, देन it has to be shown to the proper authorities also. So online portfolio needs to be very very strong for the children, and that will affect their performance and reports and everything. So you have to stick to a particular timetable, and follow the school timetable very 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 closely in terms of subjects and in terms of everything. And at the same time, we have to provide a learning friendly environment. For classes 6th, 7th and 8th, I take math remedial classes. These are special classes that I take. Each class will have a math remedial subject per week. So I have seen that, children coming to my classes, and there's so much of noise, background noise, TV is running, I can hear songs, or I can hear, so the child will be distracted. I get distracted very far away from that screen. I get distracted as a teacher. So child sitting next to a TV will surely get distracted. No learning will happen. So you have to provide a distraction free space for the child. Make sure that there is less noise. I know, children are learning from home, and there may be a shortage of space, working space and all, but again, try your best to provide a space, provide a place where child can learn without any distractions. Also, we have to provide all materials and tools necessary for remote learning. अभी बच्चों को जो लर्न करने के लिए जो टूल्स चाहिए, स्टेशनरी चाहिए, जो बुक्स चाहिए, वो आपको पहले से प्रोवाइड करना पड़ेगा, और पहले से वो उनकी जो स्पेस है, वो स्पेस में आपको मेंटेन करके रखना पड़ेगा. इंटरनेट है, अगर वाईफाई है तो वाईफाई का प्रॉपरली कवरेज आ रहा नहीं आ रहा, या मोबाइल डिवाइसेस है तो मोबाइल में डाटा है नहीं है, ये सब चीज़ों को आपको फराहम करना पड़ेगा बच्चों के लिए. जितना भी आप कर सकते हैं, आपकी तरफ से बेस्ट वो चीज़ आपको बच्चों को प्रोवाइड करना पड़ेगा. After providing free space, you should not leave the child alone. For example, okay, I provided the free space, I closed the room, and now I will open the room after 4 o'clock. That is not going to help. Supervise also. somebody take responsibility, mother or father, whoever is staying at home, they have to take responsibility. They have to, maybe in an, you know, हाफ एन आवर जाके बस चेक करना है कि बच्चा अपने टास्क पे है नहीं है. थोड़े लाइव क्लासेस रहते तो लाइव क्लासेस अटेंड कर रहे नहीं कर रहे हैं, थोड़े जो है ऑफलाइन क्लासेस रहते, यानी कि टास्क रहते, वो टास्क आज के कर रहे नहीं कर रहे हैं, कंप्लीट कर रहे नहीं कर रहे हैं, या गेम खेल लेते बैठ गए, या यूट्यूब देख ले रहे हैं, किसको मालूम. तो अपन बच्चे को सिर्फ स्पेस प्रोवाइड करके, डिस्ट्रैक्शन फ्री स्पेस प्रोवाइड करके छोड़ना नहीं है. वी हैव टू फॉलो अप ऑल्सो कि बच्चा, यानी कि अभी यहाँ पे क्या है, बच्चा बच्चे बच्चे ही है भाई, चिल्ड्रन है. They can use social media, they can go to YouTube, or they can play games, they start playing games and all. So because we are providing the tool, we are providing internet, we are providing internet access, and we are providing the device in their hand and everything, and we are expecting them to seriously study. That is not going to happen. You have to keep an eye. If they are doing, I'm not saying no children can do that, they can. So if they are doing, that's very good. If not, just, you know, they are children, just you have to keep an eye on them. You have to monitor them. That's what I am trying to say. So that is regarding providing a learning friendly environment, away from the noises, away from distraction, as much as you can. I know children are learning from home, it's very difficult. Even my child is studying from home. Me and my wife both work, so she's learning at home all alone with her grandmother, and there are distractions and everything, but again, we try as much as we can. The next important thing, the next important tip is to have proper communication with the school. Many a times, for example, in my remedial class I'm talking about, and this is happening with communication from our side. The school side is very, very, very strong. We are sending you emails, we are sending SMS, we are sending WhatsApp messages, you know, and we are calling also, physical phone calling and everything we are doing. So communication from our side is very strong, and we expect the same from your side also. Communication, if there is a miscommunication, who will be at loss? The child will be at loss. Why? Because he may miss some deadlines, or he may miss some important events, he may miss some important classes. So communication should be there. I am sending emails and I am sending WhatsApp messages for my math remedial classes, but again the turnout is very low. So I'm not sure whether the parents, because the mobiles are with the parents, and I am sending messages before starting the class, after starting the class, during the class, and also I am sending emails one day before. So if all the children are seeing their emails and the parents are seeing the messages, why is there drop in the strength? And this is the story with all other subjects. Most of the subjects, the strength is dropping. So for avoiding miscommunication, you have to check for all the messages and mails from the school, and you have to communicate with the child. Okay बेटा, ये मैसेज आया था आपके स्कूल से, क्या है इसके बारे में देखिए. ईमेल आया था, मे बी डिवाइसेस विथ यू एंड यू सॉ दैट ईमेल. जीमेल आपका अगर है, बच्चे का जीमेल आपके मोबाइल में है, तो एक बार खोल के आप भी देखिए बच्चे को क्या ईमेल्स आ रहे हैं, क्या है. Receive all the reports, letters and notices from school. Apart from that, we call parent and we issue online reports or physical reports by calling some parents. And when such reports, letters and notices are issued from school, you have to receive that and communicate the same with your child. So this is all to avoid, you know, miscommunication. The more communication happens, that will be beneficial for the child. Communicate with school about your thoughts, concerns and feedback. Anytime, at any time, you can physically come to school, or you can shoot a mail, or you can, you know, send a message, because you in high school you have VP's number, direct VP's number, and VP's, you know, WhatsApp number. You can message him, you can call him. Even math remedial children, they have my WhatsApp number and my, you know, communication number, my email and everything. Just communicate whatever you have, whatever concerns you have, and any feedback that you want to provide, just communicate with the school. Okay, so the strong the communication, the stronger the child education will be. Miscommunication में बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिस हो जाते हैं. Don't be shy, just visit the school and communicate with the proper authorities. Also from your side, whatever messages, whatever emails, whatever notices you are receiving on mobile or SMS or WhatsApp, you have to just pass that to your child. So this was about communication. What next you can do to better equip your child with remote learning is make sure all school work is up to date. For that, you have to talk to your child. As I said before, that you have to look into assignment, you have to give deadlines for assignments and homeworks. That is very important. Why? Because children try to avoid work, children try to postpone the work. This is human nature, this is natural, and this is human nature. They try to avoid work. So make sure all school work is up to date. Make sure all work is up to date. Okay, my slide. Okay. फॉलो अप विथ योर चाइल्ड ऑन डेली होमवर्क. भाई डेली आज क्या मिला होमवर्क आपको? मैं मेरी बच्ची से डेली पूछता हूँ, हमारे वाइफ भी पूछते हैं, और जो है हम लोग डेली होमवर्क, हम हमारा भी बिजी स्केड्यूल है. माय वाइफ इज अ लेक्चरर एंड आई एम द काउंसलर हियर. सो हमारे वर्क के बाद भी घर जाके हम लोग वी टेक आउट टाइम टू. माय वाइफ इज वेरी वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट होमवर्क. उनके जो ऐप के ऊपर गूगल क्लासरूम हो या टॉडल हो, उसके ऊपर जो वर्क आता, शी फॉलोज दैट एंड शी वर्क्स ऑन दैट. सो प्लीज़ फॉलो अप विथ योर चाइल्ड ऑन डेली होमवर्क. आज क्या होमवर्क मिला, करे नहीं करे. बाज़ वक़्त ऐसे टाइम पे कुछ प्रिंट आउट ला के देने का है क्या आपको, कोई हेल्प होने का है, कुछ समझाने में हेल्प होने का है, आप ये सब चीज़ें उनसे पूछ सकते हैं. हेल्प आपको हम प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं. अगर आप बोले कि भाई हमारे बच्चे को हम पूछे होमवर्क में ये नहीं आ रहा था, समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, नाउ फ्रॉम दैट इट इज़ आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एज ए स्कूल. आप हमारे से पूछ सकते हैं, हम हेल्प करने के लिए वो पर्टिकुलर टीचर से, या फिर जो है अगर मेरे रेमेडियल उसमें वो समझाने के लिए प्रीव्यू में आता है, तो मैं श्योर आई विल हेल्प, वी विल हेल्प. बट यू हैव टू आस्क योर चाइल्ड वेदर ही नीड्स हेल्प विद द होमवर्क. अब हेल्प करना मतलब उठा के पूरा कॉपी पेस्ट करके दे दे रही, लिख के दे दे रही, वो हेल्प नहीं है. समझने में आप हेल्प कर सकते हैं, रिसोर्सेज बताने में आप हेल्प कर सकते हैं. और प्लीज़ मेक श्योर दैट बच्चों के जो टास्क है और असाइनमेंट्स है वो कंप्लीट ऑन टाइम कंप्लीटेड हो जाना चाहिए. कुछ डेडलाइंस क्रॉस भी हो गए तो यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दैट. यू हैव टू कम्युनिकेट, एटलीस्ट कम्युनिकेट विद द पर्सन हु हैज़ गिवन द टास्क. जो टीचर टास्क दिए, जो पर्सन आपको टास्क दिए आपके बच्चों को, उनसे कम्युनिकेट तो करिए कम से कम कि भाई हमारे बच्चे का ये टास्क था, ये डेडलाइन इसकी चले गई, हम कब कर सकते हैं, कैसा कर सकते हैं, नहीं समझ में आ रहा बच्चे को, जो भी है यू हैव टू कम्युनिकेट. अगेन each of the slide is linked with the previous slide. So for completion of work also you have to communicate with the child and you have to communicate with the concerned teacher अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो. Another thing that you can utilize is the school resources. We have school resource, we proud of ourselves in saying that we provide lots and lots of school resources to the children. हमारी अब तो ऑनलाइन लाइब्रेरी भी आ गई है, उसके ऊपर देयर आर सो मेनी बुक्स, द चिल्ड्रन कैन टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम द ऑनलाइन लाइब्रेरी. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट our physical library is also open. You can ask or you can speak with your coordinator or teacher or the vice principal or the librarian and take that particular book. They are very useful, many useful books and many useful resources available at the physical library also at Focus High School, Darushafa. Ask the children to come with the child and speak with the librarian, and either you can sit there and complete the work or study from the book, or you can borrow if it is allowed. That your librarian will tell. You can take the physical books also. Apart from that, there is another benefit that we are providing is remedial classes. Remedial classes for math and Telugu. These classes that we are providing. So what you can do, you can encourage your child to attend these remedial classes. Say I'm working on children from 6 to 8 for math. For Telugu, 6 to 10th remedial, because Telugu is for most of the children, it's not a native language or not a mother tongue. So it needs help. The children, they need help in Telugu. So we are providing Telugu classes, remedial classes, weekly ones. So what you can do is you can encourage your child, because we are doing so much from our side, you and just push them to attend the remedial classes in Telugu or in math also they should attend. And apart from that, you can see that we have a computer lab. Some of the parents, actually some children are also coming to our school who don't have access to the gadgets. If they don't have the gadget, so some of the children, they are coming, they spoke with the vice principal and vice principal coordinators. They allowed some children to attend their classes from the computer lab. So such facilities also we are providing from our school. So this is, you can use such facilities. Computer lab hai, online library, physical library, remedial classes. So you can push your child to use such facilities. So saying this, I will end the session. We have around 9 to 10 minutes of time. So if you have any doubts or any concerns, you can ask your questions, then I'll be happy to answer. We have around 9 minutes here, 9 minutes remaining.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, this is Abrar Ali Khan, father.
जी सर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
अच्छा साहब, मैं है सो देखो लास्ट वीक आपके स्कूल को आया था.
जी जी.
ओके, सम इश्यूज थे, वो क्लियर तो हुए.
हाँ हाँ.
बट आप लोगों के पास से हमारा जो पेरेंट्स का ईमेल अटैच करते बोले, जो असाइनमेंट्स बच्चे मिस कर रहे या ऑन डेली बेसिस पे जो असाइनमेंट्स वो लोग कर रहे, तो वो ईमेल, आप पेरेंट्स का ईमेल भी कुछ सिग्नेचर लिए थे आपके पास आके, वसीमा मैम से बात किया था मैं.
अच्छी बात है.
तो वो अभी तक अटैच नहीं हुआ मेल.
अच्छी बात है.
ईमेल एड्रेस अभी तक अटैच नहीं हुआ आपके पास.
मैं इस ताल्लुक से मालूम करके वो इसको फौरी जल्द से जल्द, जिसके भी, यानी आई थिंक दे आर वेटिंग फॉर अदर पेरेंट्स ईमेल्स आल्सो, बट आई विल मेक श्योर दैट एटलीस्ट जिस के आ गए उनके ईमेल्स अटैच करने के लिए मैं बोल देता हूँ. उसमें क्या होता है, आपको भी फायदा ये होता है कि यू कैन मॉनिटर, आप भी देख सकते हैं कि बच्चों को क्या टास्क असाइन हो रहे करें, तो आप भी जो है उसमें हेल्प कर सकते हैं. तो मैं वसीमा मैम से बात करता हूँ और मुस्तफ़ा सर से बात करता हूँ कि पूरों के लिए वेट नहीं करिए. जो भी पेरेंट्स के ईमेल्स आ गए हैं, आप उनको वो गार्डियन ईमेल में ऐड कर दीजिए ताकि दे कैन आल्सो मॉनिटर.
और प्रीवियस जो और जो प्रीवियस असाइनमेंट्स मिस हुए बता रहे. ओके, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम वेयर आई हैव चेक माय सन्स अकाउंट, वहां तो पूरे असाइनमेंट्स क्लियर है. बट आपके पास का जो डेटा है, आई डोंट नो, वो आई डोंट, जो प्रीवियस अगर हो सकता आप लोग स्क्रीनशॉट भी जा सकते. जो मिस करे तो मैं वो क्रॉस चेक भी कर सकता हूँ. ओके, कि वे मिस क्यों हो रहा, where is lagging from our side or lagging from your side, because from our side I'm cross checking it. Exactly कौन सी डेट मसीमा मैम मेरे को स्क्रीन पे बताए थे, मोबाइल स्क्रीन पे, that Abrar has missed some assignments.
मैं चेक कर लेता हूँ सर, मैं लिख लिया यहाँ पे. और ये एक पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन है आपका, पर्टिकुलर उसके लिए, टास्क के लिए, यानी कि मैं उसको फॉलो अप कर लेता हूँ.
जी जी, ओके सर, थैंक यू.
वेलकम. अच्छा, आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन हियर. यस यस, एक्सक्यूज मी. जी बोलिए.
Hello sir, I'm Purnima, Kannan's mother from 6th B.
Good afternoon, madam. How are you?
Good afternoon sir, I'm fine.
Thank
Thing
you.
is, he's attending max remedial classes every Thursday or Friday, 12 o'clock. Recently only I saw that max remedial, under the max remedial session, you are giving some sums to practice.
Yes.
When I asked Kannan, he said they are doing this in only the sessions, and I don't know whether he's not practicing it or something. I have a doubt. Or are you giving it as a homework? He has to submit in the Google Classroom with the
No.
due date or something. It's only a mere practice.
Yeah, that is, see, those are worksheets, and I am posting worksheets with the answer keys, and that is called I'm providing material, because they are already having so many assignments and homeworks to complete. I cannot add up from my side. So what I am doing is I am actually giving it as homework only, but that will be visible as material. It will not have any deadline.
Practice.
Yeah, it will not. Yeah,
But
practice.
the thing is, the moment it comes without a homework or end due date or something, he didn't even say that he has to practice or something. The moment he attends the session, that's all. It's over, something like that.
No,
He's
just
assuming.
just that's what I'm saying. Okay, you have to communicate. Now you asked me, and now you know that if you go to his classroom, Google Class, under the topic of math remedial, you will see lots of worksheets and some videos also I posted. So those are very useful. And for Kanan particularly, I will give feedback that he's a very smart child, but he needs practice. He's very good and he's very fast, but he needs practice.
The practice, no, the moment it comes as a practice or something, he casually omit that. He has to do a lot of assigned homeworks. He told, okay, we did in classroom itself, so I don't need to do that. So that kind of thing is there.
No, the good thing is that I'm providing answer key also.
Okay.
So at the same time, they themselves or the parents can themselves, cross check and finish the matter. It is not coming to me and I will cross check and I will give the marks. They will have the answer key, so they can check their own answers. So that is a advantage that is available, I think, only from my side, because nobody gives answer keys. So the answer keys are available only in math remedial, I believe.
Yes, sir. And one more thing, the moment when I sit nearby him, it's not only the max remedial classes, any meeting, if I come near him or my daughter, they are pushing me away. You should not come here. You should not come here. My sir or teacher is telling you are making noises or something. I know that whatever you discussed in the webinar, we try to avoid that. But the room, personal room is very less, and we try to avoid that kind of thing or something. But the moment when they close the room, we don't know what to do. And we are coming near the regular sessions or remedial classes. They are pushing both the things. They are
no,
pushing
you tell that the teachers have asked us to check. You can push that on us.
Yes, I have to. It's not only with him. My daughter also. No, you don't come here. You
tell that that it is the task given by your teachers and the vice principal. I have to come and check every half an hour or whatever frequency is suitable for you. You can tell them, no, I am not doing it my own. I have to do it because the school asked.
Okay, I'll do that, sir. Because I can tell now itself. If I take some personal interest, they are pushing me away.
I know.
Thank you, sir.
I know. Okay. You also have my number, WhatsApp number. If you have any concerns, you can reach me on through WhatsApp also.
Yes, sir. The problem is that it's been quite some time. We have different numbers. I will take it from Kannan and I will let you know. Thank you.
Kannan has my number, I think.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.
Good afternoon. I am
Good afternoon, sir.
Adib's father.
I am the sister of Sina Fatima from 9th A. I would like to know your attendance strategy, sir. How you are following up with the attendance for the students who are attending the live sessions, online classes.
ये एक particular आपका particular question है, और ये particular question का जो है answer आपको आपके coordinator या vice principal teacher provide कर सकते हैं. But again, I will tell you in simple words that we are tracking the student work one way, and the other way that we do what we are doing is we are giving Google form for the child, and the child has to fill the attendance himself. After every class, we are sharing a Google Classroom link and that Google form link, and he has to fill the attendance through the Google form itself. The attendance will be marked in that way. Plus, his assignments and homework completion is also counted. Thank you. We have less than a minute, so the call might get disconnected.
Hello.
So
Hello.
for, yeah, I'm hearing, sir. The call might get disconnected because, yes.
Okay, I'm just, I want to take a few seconds of yours. I'm the father of Muhammad Hassan Hadi.
Okay,
So do you
sir.
have anything उनके बारे में कुछ आप मेरे को देना चाह रहे हैं क्या, feedback, any feedback regarding him?
आप प्लीज यू कम टू द स्कूल एंड प्रॉपर रिपोर्ट जो बच्चे की इंशाल्लाह आपको हम प्रोवाइड करेंगे वहाँ पे. अभी मेरे पास ऑन हैंड डेटा नहीं है, मेरे को फिर दूसरे टूल्स खोलना पड़ता. तो
ओके ठीक है, I got it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.